front end and now we've gone to the back. Things have already been disassembled and we're starting to reinstall the new Tuff Country suspension parts. We removed the track bar bolt from the rear axle and removed both rear shock absorbers. We made sure to save all the OE hardware. After that, we located and removed the bolts which attach the brake hose brackets to the frame, also making sure to save those bolts as well. Using a third jack, we supported the rear differential at the driveline yoke, making sure that the jack had enough room to raise and lower a few inches each way. We've taken out the OE rear control upper and lower arms and replaced them with the Tuff Country suspension upper and lower rear control arms. We installed the new coil springs and track bar relocation bracket over the OE bracket on the rear axle. After that, installation of the Fox rear shocks was really easy and looks great with the Tuff Country suspension lift. Tuff Country makes their installation really easy with their step-by-step guide. However, if you prefer a digital copy, just go to their website, click on the link for your particular lift, and at the very bottom you'll see technical installation PDF files that you can follow that are all in color and with the ability to zoom in on the pictures. After we made sure all the bolts were torqued to spec, we went ahead and put the wheels back on so we can lower her down and take it for a spin.